I'm up here in a roof space, and you see this sometimes in houses. It's a bit of a unique setup where you actually have two tanks linked down here, if you see. Now, what is happening here is there's a ball cock in one tank, and the other tank has nothing in it apart from an outlet. So as you can see, the ball cock is always disturbing the surface of the water in this tank. So the water at the top of the water is nice and clean, but you can see sediment in the bottom of the tank. Whereas because the water has never been broken or stirred up in this tank, the level's just going up and down, you can see quite a substantial build-up of bacteria on the surface of the water. And you can also see just through that a little bit of sediment on the, well, a lot of sediment actually in the bottom of the tank. So this is the prime example of what we're talking about. In this tank, the bacteria is rife, and what I'll be doing is taking a sample of this and sending it to the lab for analysis for Pseudomonas, E. coli, and so on and so forth, just to let you see what it comes back with. So there you go. What I'll do then is I'll upload another video when I'm finished of this cleaned and disinfected. That's the tank cleaned done, and as you can now see, the tank with the ball valve in it is now spotless, nice and clean, no issues at all. If you remember, the tank that had all the detritus and the issues in it, again, is all clean. So just imagine, with all that dirty water, there's your two outlets, one for your hot and one for your cold. This is the tank that's feeding the house, and that's water you're brushing your teeth in and potentially having a shower in. Not to scare you, but this is why it's so important to look after your tanks in your roof space.